when you're ready.
Hey guys, Pops with Pops Customs here. Just finishing our Smooth Ride install, guys. Showing you what we're looking at here. Looking at rocking movement back and forth. Alright, he's going to go ahead and do a little lubrication there on those pivot joints. Those are our A arms, top and bottom there. You got the bolts. Alright, he's going to go ahead and get some wrenches out. We're going to snug that up and get rid of some of that excess movement. He's going to do that using a 16 and 17 millimeter wrench. So you'll see the bolt head would be the 16 right here, and of course the wrench there on a 17. Let's see if I can get a better view for you guys. Yeah, so it's going to be, could use a little bit, huh?
Yeah.
All right. So we're going to go through and repeat that process there, top and bottom, upper and lower. So there's your rear top. Open end wrenches help back there when you have those weights on that 16 and the 17 side there. There you go. Nice little snug there. Take away some of that slack. The bolt just wasn't quite that tight. I found this in even brand new cars pretty much. Just snug it, you know, you're not having to crank it. Right? You're gonna do the top two, you're gonna do the bottom two. 1, 2, right there. See the yellows? This guy right here. Yep. And then back over yonder there. So you're gonna do 16, 17, 16, 17. Tighten those top and bottom. You're gonna do that again over here on this side. Top, bottom. Just kind of a little thing to look at here. You know, when you're changing the suspension, by the way, 1, 2 bolts. Everybody says, oh, let's put the big tires on. Look at this. That's why you bought the car, didn't it? That's why I wanted mine. You get it, but then you got to take out 4 lug nuts, 8 lug nuts. Get nice little snugs out of that. Okay, so that's going to ride a lot better now. All right, guys, have a great one. Pops with Pops Customs.